ओके कर रहे हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह। I am veterinarian by profession and I am in the field. Today the case is this heifer which has come into the heat and inshallah I will detect either it is in heat or not. What are the condition of the uterus, what is the size of the uterus, what is the condition of the horn, ovaries, cervix, because cervix is the landmark during the palpation. And before doing AI artificial insemination, before injecting the semen into the uterus, we have to examine either it is in heat or not, what stage of heat is there, and either there are vaginal secretion or not. The secretion should be thicky, ropey and transparent. This is the best time for AI. So let we examine. This is my disposable gloves for artificial insemination. Before doing this, this is the mustard oil. I am using it as a lubricant so that animal don't feel any pain during this procedure.
No, venire. Resta collo.
One thing a veterinarian should be considered before doing any procedure on the animal. Animal should be well restrained with any tree or in the crush. When we are in the field, there is no proper crush. This is tied with a rope. Before doing, we should pet or massage the animal. I am inserting my hand into the rectum very gently. Because this is a heifer and the size of the reproductive organs are small, I am evacuating the dung present in the rectum because the rectum should be well cleaned and well evacuated during this procedure. Now I have grasped the cervix, and when we go ahead a little, there are body of the uterus, and when we move more forward, there are two horns, right and left, and at the end of the tip of horn there is ovary, and ovaries are connected with fallopian tubes. Okay, this is proper time of artificial insemination because we inject semen after 12 hours of heat. So I have detected this is the best time for AI. This is AI container, and in this container I place semen. The temperature of this container, which has liquid nitrogen, minus 196 is the temperature of this container to preserve the semen. Now I am selecting the semen required for this heifer. This is the straw and this is the luke water. We should dip this straw into the water for 20 seconds for time. The straw has two ends. One is the laboratory end and second is the manufacturing end, and the laboratory end is opened with any scissor. This is a disposable new AI sheath. I am placing this into the sheath, and this is AI gun. I am fixing it properly.
ਚਲੋ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਣਾ
No, I have-
ਪਤਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਅੰਮੀ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਆਈਆਂ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਘਰ
I have prepared this straw into the AI gun. I am again inserting my left hand into the rectum, and in right hand I have grasped this AI rod. AI gun जो है, the external vulva should be properly cleaned so that there should be no contamination around the vulva. Because this is a heifer, first time in the life has come into the heat, a veterinarian should very gently insert the rod into the cervix, and if animal is restraining like this, we should control our hand so that there should be no restraining, there should be no damage to the internal organ. Stop that. Now I have injected the whole semen present in the AI sheath. After injecting, a veterinarian should examine either the semen has totally injected into the uterus or not. After this, we should examine this straw, because during AI, if the valve of the uterus are touching with the tip of this rod, this semen will come back and will not be inserted into the uterus. That is why the animal will come again into the heat. Okay, this has protein. Dear viewers, if you like this video and if it is considered for you informative, please subscribe my channel, Dr. Sattar Rajput. Thank you so much. A bundle of thanks. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.